Money versus relationships. What is more important? Hello, friends. Welcome to Speak in English, where we help you improve your English while learning something important. Today, we are talking about a very interesting topic: money versus relationships. Which one is more important? Let's find out together. Let me tell you a short story. Ali and Bilal were best friends. Ali worked very hard and became very rich. He bought a big house, a new car, and expensive clothes. Bilal, on the other hand, was not rich, but he always helped Ali when he needed advice or support. He was like a brother to him. One day, Ali had a problem. Even with all his money, he felt lonely and stressed. He called Bilal and said, "I have everything, but I'm not happy." Bilal replied, "Happiness is not just about money, Ali. It's about the people who care for you." Ali realized that money is important, but relationships are priceless. Let's learn some new words from this story. 1. Lonely, feeling alone or sad because you have no one to talk to. Example: Ali felt lonely even though he was rich. 2. Priceless, something so valuable that you cannot put a price on it. Example: relationships are priceless. 3. Support, to help someone emotionally or practically. Example: Bilal always supported Ali. Repeat after me. Lonely, priceless, one support. Great. Now, let's talk. What do you think is more important, money or relationships? In my opinion, both are important, but relationships give us true happiness. Try this exercise. Write a sentence in the comments using the words lonely, priceless, or support. For example, true friends support you in difficult times. I will read your comments and help you improve your sentences. Thank you for watching. Remember, learning English is like building a relationship. It needs time and effort. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speak in English for more lessons. See you next time.